We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, we have to share it. Here's what one of them had to say. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes to make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. Find out how our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience can help you. We value our business and want to show you why. Thanks for watching. Call us today. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen and have a great day.
Problem with this AC is it's actually turned on right now. The fan should be spinning, but all you hear is an electrical hum and then a random buzz, and that's a sign that the capacitor is probably out.
So you shut off the breaker, and you can turn this around to turn it off. Just disconnects the cable. Okay, to open it, there's this panel on the side. And here's the capacitor. This capacitor is leaking a little bit from the side, but also if you look from head on, it's domed, which almost always means it's going bad. Just a visual check you can do.